Hi Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, pwede ninyong tingnan and panoorin nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. And nakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell, Virgo, for updates. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's see kung ano yung mga energies and messages for Virgo for the month of September. Ano yung mga gabay, energies, and messages for Virgo. Virgo for the month of September. Balance. Okay. Maging pasensyosa, okay, or pasensyoso sa buwan ng September. Okay, there will be balance and harmony in your situation. You will find peace, magiging kalmado, no? Ang inyong sitwasyon, okay? Yeah, hindi natin maiwasan na minsan may mga stressful things sa ating everyday lives. But then you have to master, no? How to handle anxiety. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be, what else is, acting, or you will be feeling and thinking in moderation. Yung parang balance lang, hindi sobra, hindi rin kulang, okay? Yeah. You need to remain patient and kind at the same time, no? In your situation for the month of September, kailangan mo to. Virgo. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, if huwag magmadali. Don't rush onto things, okay? Sa trabaho man yan or sa everyday life mo. Be patient, no? Compromise, cooperate. Virgo, month of September. Messages and energies for Virgo. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are experiencing personal crisis, no, mga problema, most especially in your situation, physical man yan or emosyon, and even in your kaperahan or material wealth. Okay? Yeah, for some, you are also waiting for some opportunities. May mga opportunities pero hindi mo nabibigyan ng pansin, okay? Or pinag-uukulan ng oras or attention, okay? You have a lot of questions in mind, okay? You want to know something, Virgo. You want enlightenment, okay? In your situation. You want change, good change. Yeah, there is someone also that will bring good news to you, okay? Yeah, an opportunity na magkaroon ka ng steady and stable na situation, most especially in your finances. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga kailangan kayong i-honor na commitment, mga trabaho na kailangan mong tapusin, no? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, again, the Hermit, okay? You've been asking, parang nagtatanong ka, no? You need clarification of your situation or kasagutan sa inyong paghihirap, okay? Or personal crisis. Yeah, for some of you, kung may problema kayo sa relasyon, you are left out in the cold, or hindi ka binibigyan ng pansin, or yeah, you feel alone, no? So you're asking questions or clarity in your situation, okay? So that parang magiging balanse ang inyong pakiramdam, okay? You need light. Yeah, so in the month of September, merong mga spiritual growth, no, na mangyayari sa inyo, and enlightenment, okay, in your situation. Yeah, for some of you, you are isolating yourself from the crowd or from social media, okay? Parang temporary pause muna sa ganyang aspeto, okay? Because you need introspection, no? You need time for yourself, for your inner growth. Yeah, 5 of Wands. Yeah, merong mga competition, no? Or petty arguments, okay? In your situation, conflict, rivalry, okay? So, if this is referring to your relationship, okay, kailangan mo mapag-isa so that makapag-isip ka ng maayos para sa sarili mo. Okay. Tingnan natin yung 4 of Cups. Yeah, that's why balance, no, in your logical and emotional aspects, napaka-importante for the month of September. 4 of Cups, let's see. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest kung hindi para sa inyo. Okay, 4 of Cups. Ano tong 4 of Cups? Yeah, the King of Pentacles. Okay, yeah, for some of you, parang hindi ka kontento sa inyong sitwasyon, or you are lazy, you are not interested sa anumang bagay. Yung iba sa inyo, parang, yeah, though lazy, parang, tawag dito, parang hindi ka lang interesado sa isang sitwasyon. Parang tamad ka, no? Tamad ka gumala or whatsoever. Because maybe, you are looking for some, growth in your situation. Growth sa relasyon, growth sa inyong career, sa inyong kaperahan. Okay? You want improvement. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, may mga opportunities na hindi nyo binibigyan ng pansin. So, maybe it's time also for you na tingnan mo din yung opportunity na yan. Okay? Because sometimes it's a blessing in disguise because you have the King of Pentacles. No? So, you will have the Midas touch. Yung parang kung ano yung gagawin mo, nagkakaroon ng nagiging successful or nagkakaroon ng progress. Okay? Or magandang resulta. So, you have to check also kung ano yung mga binibigay sa inyo na mga opportunity, no? Mga senyales na kailangan mo pagtuunan din ng pansin. Okay? Okay, Page of Cups, yeah. Okay. So, parang merong someone na mag-offer sa inyo will make you feel okay, no? In your situation, most especially sa inyong finances. Okay? You want offer. Good offer. You want pagbabago sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? You want progress. You want success. Okay? Yeah. Merong discontentment in your situation. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, okay, merong self-reflection, no? In the month of September, you need light. You need enlightenment. Ano tong the Hermit for Virgo? Yeah, Page of Wands. So parang iniisip mo, you need enlightenment, no? In your situation. Like, you need excitement. Yeah. Maybe you are looking forward onto something in the future na something exciting, okay, or magandang opportunity for you. Parang iniisip mo ang iyong future. Yung mga susunod na buwan, na taon. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are looking to have or to start a business, no? Or this is a creative venture. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, thinking about new direction in life for some of you. Okay? So, meron kayong mga pagmumuni-muni about that or assessment, self-evaluation or assessment, no? Sa iyong sitwasyon. Okay? You are looking forward for some exciting things, no? In the future. Okay? Merong Four of Swords. Okay, so siguro kailan mo rin ipahinga yung isip ninyo. Okay, for some of you, madami kayong iniisip. Yeah, you need meditation as well. Okay, so sa inyong pag-iisa or minsan in your rest time, nakakakuha ka ng mga solusyon or sagot sa inyong mga problema or sa inyong mga iniisip, Virgo. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you need physical rest. Okay? Body and mind rest. Okay? Or vacation. Yeah, for some of you, you're thinking about that. Okay? Knight of Pentacles. Ano kaya itong Knight of Pentacles? Okay? Parang merong someone na magbibigay ng good news, no? Para sa inyo. Okay? Magbibigay ng hope. Yeah. Parang a chance na magkaroon ka ng steady, okay? Or stable na pamumuhay. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. For some of you, you are planning to move. You've been wanting to move or travel. Okay? Yeah. While working, no? Or while you are studying, for some of you. Yeah. Merong mga adventure. Okay? That awaits you. Things are coming and going. For some of you, okay? Money, business, okay? Stability. You will be moving forward. Yeah. Someone will bring news about travel for some of you. Okay? So, may mga planning din at the same time. Knight of Pentacles. Nine of Cups, yeah. Parang may wish fulfillment, okay? Wish fulfillment na mangyayari sa inyo for the month of September. Yeah. Travel, happiness, okay? Food, wine, drinks, okay? There is something that meron kayong matatanggap or mangyayari na ikakatuwa ninyo, okay? For the month of September, wish fulfillment. Okay? Yeah, prosperity and abundance, no? Awaits you, okay? Things will be looking great for you in the month of September. Merong pag-unlad, paglago, or pagbabago in your such situation. Okay? Yeah. Waiting on something. Okay? Yeah. Looking forward for the future, no? Virgo. It will make you happy, no? It's a wish come true for you. It's like na para bang yung mga concerns mo will fade away, no? There is a love of life in the month of September. Okay? You are looking towards the future chances, no? Future chances. with plans and awareness. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong profits na matatanggap or good profits sa inyong business. Okay? Yeah, or sa inyong work, sa trabaho mo to. Okay? Yeah, there is steady income. Okay? Yeah. You will be able to plan for your future. Okay? Good plans. Right? Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga additional na message for Virgo. May tumalon. Feather, someone you know is undependable and insincere. Okay? Be aware of that. Merong someone na hindi sincero or totoo sa inyo. Okay? Firecracker, excitement. Wow. So, merong excitement for the month of September. Okay? Na mangyayari. Ano ba to? Good events, happenings. Okay? Promotion. You will be receiving money or good news. So, merong excitement in the month of September. Oh, may tumalon ulit. Wait. Older man, dealings or relationship in an older man. Okay, merong mga concerns or dealings. No, importante na mga dealings or concerns sa isang matandang lalaki. Okay? Or mature na lalaki. Chairfield, someone new is entering your life. Okay, someone new is entering your life. Okay. Someone new, okay? So, someone, okay? Maybe you will have a new colleague, no? Or a new partner, okay? Mga bago na kakilala na magiging importante sa inyong buhay, okay? Let's get spirit messages. Okay. Spirit message for Virgo, please. Let go of the old and make way for the new. You may find yourself being distracted by random thoughts, fears, or doubts. Don't allow yourself to be governed by them. Simply observe and choose to take aligned actions and choices. Okay? So, wag kang magpa-distract, no? Sa mga thoughts, okay? Doubts mo or takot sa buhay, okay? Just take actions, no? Aligned actions and smart or wise choices. Okay? Angel message for Virgo. Detox your friendships. Your abundance flow is being affected by the people with whom you are spending time. So be discerning about your associations and relationships. Choose to be with people who are inspiring, generous, and supportive. So, be with people na nagbibigay ng inspiration sa inyo, no? Generous and supportive. Okay? Spend time with them. Yeah. So that yung abundance, no? Magfo-flow lang sa inyo. Parang sila yung magiging blessings, no? Daan ng blessings or channel para sa inyo. Alright, so Virgo, maraming salamat and these are the messages for you. Thank you and I'll see you on the next video. All the best. Bye!